This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Beverly Carter. Beautiful secluded 30 meters/L acres close to Stillwater, just 3 miles off Highway 177 and Harvest Road. There are utilities running by this property, OG&E 2-phase power, and just across the road 3-phase power available. Water wells are often used in this area, and Noble County Rural Water District No. 2 is available. There are 2 smaller ponds and 1 large pond, spring-fed pond shared by 3 property owners. Native grass is baled 1 or 2 times a year with about 500 square bales per cutting. West side of property runs along a tree-bordered creek, and there are a lot of deer and wildlife. Just minutes from Stillwater, Morrison, Perry, and Ponca City. Just 1 hour from OKC and Tulsa, plus turnpike access just near. Call for more information. For more information, review the details below or contact Beverly Carter at 405-743-9618.